So I'm working on this Dodge Ram again, and it's gonna jack the front end up a little bit. This is an 02 and it still has the torsion bars in it. You can see the front end sitting pretty low, and I have the headlights jacked all the way up and they're still too low. So the only good thing about torsion bars is that you can jack them up some and fix the problem. So I'm going to do that and see how it looks. So I'm going to start out by measuring the wheel gap in here, see where it's at. And then I'm going to jack it up, take the pressure off the torsion bars there. And there's just two 18mm bolts. It's what size it is on this truck anyhow. I'll show you them in a minute. This is your torsion bar. Connects to your lower A-arm. Comes all the way back here. That's where it goes in. And then there's a bolt right there. And then the same on the other side. And somewhere in there. Right there. Yeah. So you just screw them in to tighten it, puts pressure on there, and it brings the front end up. So I turned torsion bolts, what is it, 4.5 turns. So you can see it's a lot better. Looks real even. It was lifted up just about exactly 2 inches. And the camber here. Let's see if you can see it there. So you can see it does have a good bit of positive camber. So I'll pull the wheels off and straighten that out, and I'll maybe drop it down like a 1/4 inch or something. But it rides a lot better, looks a lot better. Headlights will shine a lot better. So that's the only good thing with torsion bars. Just crank on them bolts a couple turns and bring that front end up.